Hey there, it's Chelsea with Materio here, and today I'm going to show you how to create and use contract templates in Materio. I'm first going to show you where contract templates live. From anywhere in your account, you can access your main menu on the top left-hand corner and then click on Templates and Kits here. When you click on contracts, you will find your workspace for creating, editing, and saving contract templates to use in your design service agreements or in your project contracts. You can see here that I already have 3 contracts added to my account: design services agreement, procurement services agreement, and a construction contract. We know that the contract that you need to use with a client depends on the project that you're working on. So we created this in order for you to be able to store multiple contracts to slot in for your client based on your needs. To create a new contract, simply click Create, type in a name. You'll enter in your contract text here and save, and it will be there for you for later use. You'll see that there's a timestamp of the last edits made. That way you are always up to date on any changes. There are 2 areas where you can use contract templates, and I will first show you in the lead section. If I cancel out here and go back to my main dashboard, I'm going to go to my lead section and open up my lead that I am in contact with and get ready to send my contract. To do that, I'll navigate to send contract here, and I will then be able to enter in my templates into the contract terms section. To do so, I'll click Use Template, and it will show me all 3 contract templates that I have, and I simply have to click on this here, and it will enter it in. I like to put the information that I need to update per contract in italics and brackets. That way, when I am entering it in, it jumps out to me so I can update it right then and there. If this project calls for multiple contract types, I can use another template and click on Procurement Services Agreement, and it will enter that in as well. And I can make the edits live right here in contract terms, and I can see it updating to the right in my preview panel over here. When this contract is up to date and ready to send, I can type out my email message for Alex along with my contract title and send that over and continue on with the process. To create a contract in a project, navigate to the Share menu, and you will see here that you can send a contract. Here you will see a very similar interface to what I was showing you before, where you can enter in your contract terms using templates right here with your previewed contract to your right. When I add a template in here, you can scroll down to the bottom of this contract and see that it is added to the end of your scope of work. If I'm not ready to send this yet, that's okay. I can just cancel out and access it as a draft whenever I want in my share menu and go on back there and continue my work. And that is a run through of contract templates in Materio. If you have any questions or feedback, please don't hesitate to reach out to us at support@materio.co. We are always happy to help. Happy building!